Welcome to section number 6 on asynchronous Node.js. Now, if you read a few articles about what Node is, you're likely going to see the same 4 terms pop up over and over again: asynchronous, non-blocking, single-threaded, and event-driven. Now, all of those are indeed accurate ways to describe Node.js. The question is, what exactly do those terms mean, and how are they going to impact the Node apps we're building? Well, in this section, we're going to move on to our second of 4 applications, our weather web application. So this application is indeed going to have a front end in the browser where the user provides their location. Behind the scenes in Node.js, we're going to communicate with third-party services to convert that location into a forecast. We're then going to send the forecast back to the browser so we can render the data for the user to see. So in this section, we'll end up using asynchronous Node.js in a few different places, and we're actually going to kick off the section with a quick presentation. We're going to talk about those 4 terms and figure out how exactly they fit into the Node apps we're building. Let's go ahead and jump right into that.